Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. Welcome back to Anime Course for Beginners. I will show you how to draw anime face. The rendering step is a very important step and determines the beauty of your painting. Because if you want a good picture, a well-proportioned face, it's very simple for you to draw a beautiful picture. And even if you color it or not, it's still beautiful. Now I will show you how to draw the right proportions and beautiful face. Please pay attention. I will come to the first corner of the face is front angle. This is a common face angle, and I'm sure you've seen it often in anime. This is a very difficult angle to draw because it requires balance, standard proportions. It will look weird. I will show you how to draw. During the drawing process, remember to pay attention to the table showing the buttons on the left side of the screen. To know how to operate the keyboard shortcut so that it is fast and helpful for you. I have a lot of redundant operations, so you should still focus on my main operation. And when drawing, I will combine using the tools available on the 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗍𝗍 screen to help you understand the use and easy access to the tools available on this 𝗍𝗍𝗱𝗍𝗍. To draw the right angle, draw a circle. I use this tool to draw circles. I move the circle to where I want. In this circle, we will divide it into 3 equal parts. We divide it into 3 parts. These 3 equal parts, and we'll draw a line in the middle. You can use this tool. Draw a line in the middle. We will call this the face axis. You draw so that it is in the middle. This will be the face axis. And please pay attention to the ratio. Now draw the distance from the top of the circle to 2/3 of the circle. You draw one more line equal to the above line. Please draw so that they are equal. We will have one more part here. You will draw a line like this. You can understand this position is 1/3 of the diameter of the circle. Here we have the eye axis. This is the nose shaft. Remember to pay attention to this equal ratio. These equal proportions are very important and make the painting process much simpler and faster. This is also a very interesting feature on the human face. And this is the position of the chin. Now let's draw a face. Starting from these 2 positions, do you see? Start from this downward curved position. You will draw here a line that goes down to the chin. After you draw this line, you can fix the thin, fat, or balanced face. It's up to you. This line is a bit, so I'll fix the chin in this position. Drawing a straight axis is very important to make your face balanced. We have already had a face. We already have the eye axis. Then we can divide it in half from the eyes to the nose, or bigger, smaller, depending on the eye size you want to draw. For example, you want your eyes to be this big. Above this will be the eyebrows. And from the nose to the chin. You just need to divide it in half and we will have the mouth part. Remember it's half, like this, a half. From here to here we will have the mouth part. It's located here. And in the position of the eye. The distance between two eyes is equal to one eye. That means you will divide into 3 equal parts, and remember to leave 2 sides. It's okay with one eye. I drew eyes. Now ears. The position of the ear is below the eyebrow to the nose. This? Remember, now I will draw an ear. After we already have a frame like this, we will try to sketch from the frame we have already drawn. We will review the knowledge a bit. We will use this tool to circle the area we want to copy, the area we want to duplicate. We will use the key combination Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and we use Ctrl+D to cancel the selection. From there we will easily pull out an image that we just duplicated. Then use eraser to erase the excess around. We lower the opacity and create a new layer and draw over it. I will use my sketch brush. The sketch brush I use is a pencil. Now I will try to draw. Try drawing on this frame to let you know. I draw anime face shape. We'll start drawing the glaze along the face first. When drawing, you can edit it yourself to make the face as balanced as possible. This is the position of marked eye. This will be the eyebrows. This will be the position of the nose I marked. Remember to pay attention to the face axis. This is one of the most challenging eyes to draw, because it has to be really symmetrical with the other eye. In a little while, I will show you how to draw a straight face. Of course, I would encourage you to draw by yourself. Please edit the shape so that it is similar. And here is the mouth. This will be the ear. Then I'll draw my hair down. I'll draw my hair down. I'll start from the top. You can edit it to your liking. We have already started to have faces. We'll fix it up a bit. We already have an anime face. It's very simple, isn't it? This is just a sketch. This one doesn't have line art. That is not complete yet. I just give an example to help you understand how to draw anime. So we had a face. As you can see, it looks quite finished. You can add shadows, lines, in the following courses, I will teach you how to draw the 5 senses, so that they are most beautiful, as well as how to draw the most natural hair. It will be all in my next course. This is the step you sketched from your frame. You can draw more mouths. And actually, I have one more way to draw anime face. Now I will come with a trick to draw the front face more simply, saving time and effort. And this is not recommended, to replace the fact that you use pictures and draw from a Z. This is just a small tip. You can also apply it. I still encourage you to build and draw by yourself. Here we will reuse the frame we used to draw this little girl. We hold down the V button and drag the layer over here. We put in this position. Then you will create a layer. This time you will continue to sketch on this frame. It's different in that you only sketch one side of the face. Only sketch on half of the face, nose and eyes. Which side you agree, draw there first. And this time I will draw a smiling face. We have a cold-looking face, so this time I will draw a smiley face. Smile gently. I will draw ears. If you like, you can draw earrings. Now we will review a bit. Now we will hold down Ctrl+C to copy what we just drew, and Ctrl+V to duplicate the one I just drew. And let's move the part we just copied to the position where we drew the previous frame. Do you see it? Ctrl+E to merger. I will write the combination I just used here. Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+V to paste what you just copied. And we will press Ctrl+T to select. And then choose Flip to flip it back. This is the combination I've been using so far. It fits snugly into the frame you selected. Now you turn off the layer, you already have an anime face. And if you feel it's not really symmetrical, you just need to fix it a bit. Actually, there is a button here for you to check if you have drawn correctly or not. In this flip, you flip it upside down and see it's distorted. That means you drew it wrong and you have to correct it. You will see that the eye on this side is a bit small. You just need to make it a little bigger. And then you zoom out. The parts you think are not good can be corrected. The drawback is drawing only a portion, so you can't see the whole picture. This girl have black eyes. And you press the Alt button to pick the right color. I will shrink it and draw hair for our character. Oh, so pretty. His hair will cover the skull a bit. Now I will choose a hairstyle. You can draw the hair covering your ears to give it a very thick look, and it will create layers in the front and back. Now you have an anime face that looks so cute and pretty. Please remember the ways that I just showed you. After we have finished drawing the face, now we will come to the next angle, which is the half angle. This is also an angle that you will also often see. And now we're going to review. We'll shrink the part we just finished studying to make space for another lesson. Now we will circle the selection. Don't forget to Ctrl+E to combine all your lessons. Then we will Ctrl+T and minimize this part. Let us continue to learn the next part, angle 1/2. Please like and subscribe to our channel.